while we're in this wall section, we can start to add in some detailed notes. And I'm just going to zoom in up in this corner here so we can start at the top and we'll work our way down. Now, the way that we put notes in is we come into Annotate and select Check. You'll notice that you have some different ways that we can put text in. I'm going to pick leader at the bottom right, and I'm going to pick one segment, two segment leaders. And basically you click where you want your text. Now remember, you can move this around to wherever you want. So I'm just putting that, oops, sorry, my mistake. I'll just do that again. What I want to do is come in and I'm selecting just onto this piece of timber here. And I'm coming up and coming across to about there. And I can start to put my text in, which I'm going to put in as asphalt shingles over 12mm CDX, which is like a water membrane, and plywood. And timber trusses, and enter. Now if we want to get that to fit a bit better, we can just bring those down, and we can just finish that and put it up like so. Now I don't know if I like that coming across the bottom like that. I'm just going to hit escape a couple of times, and I can play around and alter that. So I might just put it up like that, and that looks quite nice like that, I think. So asphalt shingles over 12-foot CDX plywood and timber trusses. And we can work our way down now, putting in all of those things. Now while I'm here, one of the things we can put a note in about is insulation. And in Annotate as well, we have this thing called insulation. Just make sure your width is about 80. And come down to our inside wall. And if you select right at the bottom, you see that's coming up the middle. And you can just drag that up to the top and hit escape a couple of times, and we've actually put some insulation in there. So again, you can put in some text. We've got all the same things picked here. I'm going to come out. You see how it lines up? Keep it at the same angles, and it lines up again. And then we can put that in. We can put in 1.5 rock wool bats to all interior wood framed walls. Hit enter. Again, if we want to just move that around a little bit, we can. And whoops, went the wrong way on that. I hit escape for some reason, and it all went. Let me just do that again. Maybe if I can just go back, it might come up. No, it's not going to come up. So I'll just go forward again until I get my insulation in. Ah, 1.5 rock wall insulation to all interior wood framed walls, and hit enter. Oops, sorry, and just click off and it goes in. Again, we just need to play around with that and get that. So come out of it, select it, and then just play around by selecting the one that you want. And we can start to put in some notes coming down there. So I'll put in some other notes, and you can take those off of the drawing and put those in. And obviously there's a lot more different notes that we can put in. Have a look at your commercial plans and you will get some ideas off of that to add some more in than I have on my drawing. So I want you to take the initiative to go off, find out what type of things you can put in onto this section, and put them in yourself. That will, when your work is marked, that's what I'll be looking for.